Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to Lesson 5 of Wit and Wisdom, Module 2, The American West. So, we are finishing up our time with our book, The Buffalo Are Back, with a writing task. But before we do the writing task, we need to think about what we know and what we can do with what we have learned with this book and the poem Buffalo Dusk. So today we are going to be answering the question, how did the American Indians, settlers, and President Roosevelt impact the prairie and buffalo? So we are going to be doing an informational paragraph answering this question. Now, remember, when we have an informational paragraph, we're going to have 5 sentences altogether. Your first sentence is going to be your topic sentence. So you're going to have a topic sentence. So that's going to be answering the question. And then you're going to give your first evidence, your first piece of evidence. So remember too that we are using topic specific words. So after your topic sentence, I'm going to let you guys come up with your own topic sentence today. So I want you to think about this question. How did the American Indians, settlers, and President Roosevelt impact the prairie and buffalo? Remember, we talked about how they had both a positive and negative impact on the prairie. So your topic sentence is going to answer this question. Then you're going to have your 3 sentences of evidence. Remember to start your sentences with those sequence words. So first, blank. So look at your chart over here. Who was the first group that positively impacted the prairie? First, the American Indians. There's that topic specific word. And you guys are going to finish this sentence. First, the American Indians, blank. Tell me, what did the American Indians do to impact the prairie? Okay, after first, we have then. So we're going to start with an uppercase letter. Then, settlers, there's a topic specific word, then settlers, blank. You are going to tell me what the settlers did to impact the prairie. Now, remember, we talked about how the settlers at the beginning, in the middle of our book, they had a negative impact. They hurt the prairie by killing buffalo and bringing cattle and taking out the grass to plant crops. So remember to use your evidence chart to tell me how the settlers impacted the prairie. And then your third piece of evidence. So finally, who was the person that had a positive impact at the end of our book? President Roosevelt. So there's that topic specific word. President Roosevelt, blank. How did he impact the prairie? Make sure that you're using words like buffalo, prairie, grass, because we talked about the prairie grass. Make sure to talk about the soil. Use those topic specific words. And then remember, friends, after you finish with your last piece of evidence, what needs to go at the end of your paragraph? A conclusion. So you need to check your writing today to make sure that you have your topic statement. So your first sentence, your 3 pieces of evidence, and a conclusion. So your conclusion is going to be the same as your topic statement. All right, guys, so this is our activity for today. This is your writing task. This is showing Miss Mason, and it's showing yourself what you learned and what you can do with your writing after learning all about the buffalo and prairie. Guys, remember, we can have a positive impact in our environment. It's all about the choices that we make to take care of nature, animals, and people with where we live. All right, guys, I cannot wait to see your finished writing. Remember to keep that growth mindset. If you get stuck in a learning pit while doing your writing activity, take a break, take a deep breath, and then come back to it. All right. I hope that you have a wonderful day of learning as always. And I think I already said it, but keep that growth mindset because good learners do hard things. All right, guys, happy learning and happy writing.